Hello, my clarinet students. This is the region scale video for concert C. This is going to be our first one, concert F. This is going to be our first one with a sharp note. So let's review. We're going to be starting on our low G, 6 fingers, and then A, B natural. Now, this is the finger you should not use in real life. But when you play B natural in band, please use your middle finger. C, D, E, F sharp. Now, some students, you guys learn the chromatic fingering or the trill fingering for F sharp and you get really excited. I'm going to say, in this case, first finger only. Okay, we don't need to be fancy right now. We will later. Okay, and then we have A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and please use your middle finger to play F sharp, and then G. All right, so to review, this is the first scale that you are playing that is using middle finger B and middle finger F sharp. Okay, so as we go through, everything is just normal, nothing is fancy. G6, A5, middle finger B, and please write that into your scale sheet. So many clarinets accidentally play B flat. Write in B natural. C, D, E, F sharp, first finger only. G, A, and remember when we get to A, put down your bottom hand. Blue B, which is that inside pinky key. And I usually keep my pinky down here on the C key as a helper. All right, it helps keep our fingers in alignment. It helps the notes come out smoothly. And our next note is C anyway. D, E, middle finger, and then G. Play this fingering chart. Play 2 beats on each note. Challenge yourself. Play 4 beats on each note. See how many notes can you play in one breath. Use your metronome, okay? All right, on your paper, I really need to make sure that you are not only marking in the F sharps here, but that you're also marking in the B natural here. I've included it. Look down there, boom. And here. Did I highlight them? No, they're not a sharp note, okay? This is B natural. However, this is a place where a lot of clarinet students mess up. So please put a big giant MF. Why MF? Middle finger. Okay? All right. Practice it slow. Practice it steady. All right? I would suggest practicing it slurred first and then tonguing. But either way, practice it going upwards and practice it going down. All right? This one is a pretty straightforward scale as long as you remember to use your middle finger. Have fun on the middle finger scale.